How are you, everybody? Guys, you will not believe it, but this place I'm gonna show you in the middle of the forest. I am in Geneva, in Switzerland. You will be shocked how beautiful this place is. The houses, the nature, tree and everything. I'm just speechless. We're gonna go for a walk. I'm gonna show you each tree. I'm gonna show you each house. I dressed appropriately, and this is so amazing. So let's go. Look at this beautiful field. Look at these flowers. It's raining today, but it's okay. We have umbrella. My good friend umbrella. Here we go. Umbrella matches my bow. And we do go walk not this direction, but this direction. It's a little alley for those who just want to walk. My God, the air is so fresh here. Look at these trees. They're magnificent. And that's so beautiful. Wow. Look at these beautiful flowers. It's the airport over there. I don't know what to say. Honestly, it's so pretty here. We're gonna pass through such a beautiful and amazing houses. I have never seen such a beautiful houses. Look at those trees. I don't want to wet my lenses in the camera. Okay. Look at this beautiful tree. Ooh. It's some sort of park and also allows everyone to just hike and walk around this area. My God, look at this tree. They're so green and beautiful. They're huge. You know a painter, Bob Ross? It's just his imagination. Exactly same trees he was drawing. It's a nice little house there. I wonder how much houses cost here. Not cheap for sure. Look at this. It's so pretty. Look at this tree. Look at this house. So pretty. Oh my God, look at this beautiful house over there. That is crazy. Looks like a Disneyland house. Little flowers, but they're just like meant to be exactly in the same spot. Look at these trees. That is so pretty. Hello. Bonjour. So beautiful. Wow. I would say this is organic rubbish, but it looks so beautiful in here. It's just like meant to be for this place. Okay, keep walking. Keep walking. It's very cute little houses. So pretty. Let me clean my lenses. Oh my god, look at this beautiful tree. It's so big. Oh, so big. Whoa. So beautiful. This little I don't know how they're called, but they're so pretty. Okay, keep walking, keep walking. There are more things to see, believe me. There are more things to look at. Yeah, for those who just joined, I'm in Geneva, in Switzerland. These little alleys, all of them are going towards a private residence. I'll try not to film residential or any people which will be crossing by. Look at this house, so pretty. Wow. So pretty. Hello, friends. That is, I don't know, is it Ferrari? But looks cool. But more cool is these bamboo trees. Wow. These bamboo trees are awesome. And look at this pavement roads. It is so beautiful. Just meant to be for this place. The design of this area is amazing. Everything is supposed to be here. So pretty. So pretty. Look at this one. Look at this beautiful tree. So pretty. Okay. Oh, look at this, so pretty. Little alley that way. Look at this house. Trust me, there are better ones. There are better ones. Let me clean my lens again. I'll pull. Wow, look at these trees. Look at this one. That's maybe some embassy. Oh, look at this beautiful tree. This is so cool. Wow, look at this house. Look at this tree. It's massive. Must be so beautiful in the winter time. Oh, look at this beautiful house. It has such a nice garden. Okay. This one looks like a holiday home. Holiday house. But that house over there is the best. Let's get a better look. Oh, so beautiful. god, this house looks so nice too. I'm not sure what is it? Is it like church or something like that? Probably in like 5-6 years this place is gonna look very nice because he just planted his trees. Yeah. And there's more trees are planted. There's a nice fence. It's gonna look very beautiful. Look at those trees over there. Let me clean my lens again. That looks beautiful. This house is nice. Oh, look at this tree over there. It looks so beautiful. Okay, let's walk through little alley. Oh, look at this house. Wow. Wow. Beautiful. So pretty. Honestly, look at this. I don't know what is this one. It's like concrete stuff. But it's full of flower. Looks so nice. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, look at this house. Look how beautiful the entrance he got. It's full of flowers. That's pretty. I've never seen this type of flowers in my life. Oh. Hey, here's another one. That is beautiful. It's such a beautiful house. It has roses there. It looks old, but it looks not old because it's in this environment. Yeah. Oh, look at this house. So pretty. All these houses are so welcoming. Oh, look at this. Could be, maybe it's a grape. That looks beautiful. I'll show you my favorite house. It's in this corner. This is the most beautiful house what I have seen. Look at this. Honestly, it's so beautiful. So pretty, look at these flowers. So nice. This is a happy house. Whoa, so pretty. There's a big tree, flowers. This is a happy house. This is so pretty. I like this house. It has big trees too. And second house on my list would be this one. This one has little gates, but little tree, but more than enough for everything. This is a beautiful, happy house. So pretty. Little stairs, flowers, everything what you need. Let me clean my lens again. Let's keep walking. I wonder how much is this houses are here? Maybe $5 million. Maybe $8 million. $10 million. Not bad, but worth it. It looks so beautiful. All these leaves look so fresh. Oh, look at this little house. This is so pretty. Look at this alley road. I love it. Pink house. Very nice pink house. Oh, I'm sorry. Ooh, look at these flowers, guys. I'm gonna lower this down. You must look at this. It's so pretty. The whole field is this little beautiful flowers. So pretty. So beautiful. We almost finished walking the park, and actually I walked honestly like 20% of this place. In case if you wanna walk, this is the place, and this is the area, and this is how it's called. You're welcome. But let's see some weird trees. These trees are weird, huge. First one is this. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful tree. I can just sit and stare. Over there, I'll sit down, open my book, and I'll just read whole day. This place is awesome. Look at these ones. Oh my god, I haven't seen these fluffy flowers in a long time. Probably you're watching and you're thinking, I have same in my country. You know what? I haven't seen them for a long time. Honestly, look at this weird tree, this one. First of all, let's go under this tree. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. It's like violet color. Is it violet? I'm not sure what color is this. Oh. Look at these things under this tree. Oh my god, this is so crazy. So beautiful. And look at this tree. This one is crazy. Didn't I tell you? Crazy tree. Look how big is this tree. Oh my god. I'm literally far away from it. Oh, I think I saw a squirrel. Over there. Over there, squirrels. Happy squirrels. Happy, healthy squirrels. Over there. Oh my god, look at these squirrels. You guys can see? Look. Look at this one. The Chip and Dale. They look so healthy. It's crazy. That is a tree. Okay. Our journey is almost coming to end. I hope you enjoyed. Honestly. Oh, look at these weird trees. It looks like they just came from the barber shop, you know? And the barber guy just cut them the wrong way. Wow. How crazy. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'm going back to hotel and see you again. My more videos. I'm traveling like that, just walking. Yeah. Bye.